Hi everyone, and welcome back to BankOps Master. Today, we are going to learn how to deposit cash into a checking or savings account using the cash deposit screen. This screen is used to deposit cash in the account's currency or in a foreign currency, if allowed. Whenever you deposit foreign currency, the system will automatically convert it to the account currency using the maintained exchange rate. To open the cash deposit screen, you have two options. First option, type cash deposit in the menu item search. You'll find this search at the top left corner of your application toolbar. Then, select the correct screen from the results. Second option, from the home screen, click on Teller. On the Teller mega menu, go to Customer Transaction and then click Cash Deposit. Once you do this, the cash deposit screen will appear and you are ready to process your transaction. In the next video, we will go step by step through entering and posting a cash deposit. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any BankOps tutorials. Thank you for watching.